October, November 2019, 4-2. Question number 1 is, Mohsen has 600 pear trees and 720 apple trees on his farm. Okay, just distinguish between them. Write the ratio of the pear trees to the ratio of apple trees in the simplest form. Now, pear are 600, so I will write 600 ratio 720. Now we have to write this ratio in the simplest form, and it is only 1 mark question. So we can use the calculator. It's the best way to simplify. Just write 600 divided by 720. It will make 5/6. It means in the lowest form, it's going to be 5/6. Part 2 is, each apple tree produces 16 boxes of apple each year. One box contains 18 kg of apples. Calculate the total mass of apple produced by 720 trees in 1 year and give your answer in the standard form. Now there are 720 trees and each apple tree produces 16 boxes. So first I need to get the number of boxes. Now number of boxes are total 720 trees. Each tree is producing 16 boxes. So multiply with 16. That will make the number of boxes. Multiply with 16. 11,520. Now each box contains 18 kg of apple. So for 1 year, what will be the mass of the total mass of the apples? And these are the number of boxes and each box is producing 18 kg. So we will 18 multiply 11,520. So let's calculate it. Oh, sorry, it was already there. Multiply with 18. So it's 207,360. 207,360 kg. But we have to write the answer in the standard form. In the standard form, if no decimal is shown, it means the decimal is at the end on the right hand side. So we need to move it after first non-zero digit. So will become 2.0736 into 10 to the power. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the power 5 digits. And even if you want to round to 3 significant, you can write 2.07 into 10 to the power 5 also. Part B is, 1 week the total mass of the pears picked was 18,540 kg. For this week, the ratio of mass of apples to the mass of pears is this. Find the mass of apples picked that week. Now the total mass is, this is total mass, 18,540 kg. Now ratio of apples to the pears mass is 13:9, and we want to find the mass of apples from the total. So how do we find a ratio? We can say the mass of apples will be equal to the ratio of apples. Ratio of apples is 13 over sum of ratios. Sum of ratios 13 plus 9 is 22 time total mass. Total mass is 18,540. So let's simplify it. 13 over 22 time 18,540. That will make 109,000. No, it's sorry, 109.45. You can round it to three significant figures for your final answer. First, second, third significant, or which will be 110 kg to three significant figures. Because always try to write your answer to three significant figures. Even in this one, in the previous part, you can write 2.07 into 10 to the power 5 to three significant figures, final answer. Must show this and then round. Now the apple cost most than 0.85 per kilogram to produce. He sells them at a profit of 60%. Work out the selling price per kilogram for the apples. Now, what is the price per kilogram? This is the cost price. Cost price is always 100%. So, cost price means 100% price is 0.85 per kg. He is selling at a profit of 60%. Means if we take 160%, so taking 160%, it will be, in case if it is 160%, we have to find that one. So cross multiply in such situation, we always cross multiply. X time 100 will be equal to 0.85 time 160. So X will be equal to 0.85 time 160 divided by 100. So X will be equal to, we can calculate it, 0.85 time 160 divided by 100, that will make 1.36. So $1.36, that is the selling price. Next we have part C. Mohsen exports some of his pears to a shop in Belgium. The shop buys the pears at $1.50 per kilogram. This is the price for 1 kg. The shop sells the pears for 2.30 euro per kilogram, and this is the exchange rate. Calculate the percentage profit per kilogram made by this shop. First, we need to convert them into one currency. And your answer should be, let me see, the answer, we have to write the percentage price. So it doesn't matter whatever percentage, whatever currency you keep. Okay. So as it is given that $1 $1 is equal to 0.92 euros. 92 euros. Here I can write in dollars, and here I can write in euros. Now, is so 1 point. I can convert if it is $1.50 per kg. The shop is selling at 2.30 euro per kilogram. Mean the selling one is in euro. So we will convert this $1.50 into euro. So finally the selling currency we don't need to change. So $1.50 we have to check how many euros it makes. And between the currency we know that is always direct proportion. So cross multiply. On cross multiplication it will be x into 1 equals to 1.50 times 90. X will be 1.50 into 90. If I will calculate it, 1.50 times 90, sorry, it's not 90, it's 0.92. It's 0.92. So 1.50 times 0.92. So that is 1.38 euros. 1.38 euro. It means the cost price per kg is 2.3. This is the cost price. Cost price is 1.38 euro. While the selling price is 2.30 euros. So we have to write the percentage profit. So what will be percentage profit? Percentage profit is always equal to profit over cost price time 100%. So that will be, what is profit? Profit is always sell price minus cost price, 2.30 minus 1.38 over what is cost price? Cost price is 1.38 time 100%. Let's calculate now. It will be 2.38 minus 1.38 divided by 1.38. The answer we have to multiply with 100, and that makes 72.46%. 72.46%, which I can say round to 3 significant will be 72.5%. That was required for this one. Next part D is Motion earnings increase exponentially. Whenever exponential growth comes, immediately compound interest should come in your mind, because exponential growth is always linked with compound interest. At a rate of 8.7% per year, this is rate. During 2018, he earned $195,600. So this is the earning. During 2027, how much more does he earn during 2018? So we have to tell during 2027 how much more does he earn than during 2018. So we need to look for this one, as it is increasing exponentially, and this is earning, this is what he earned. $195,600 at a rate of 8.5% per year. This is the total earning he has, but see right now it's not. During 2027, how much more does he earn? Smoken's earning this $195,600 is the principal. This one is the rate of interest each year. So how much more does he earn during 2018 than in 2027? So first we will calculate the amount using this formula, and then we'll compare it. Now between 2018 till 2029, the time duration is 9 years. So I can say this 195,600 into 1 plus 8.7 over 100 to the power, time duration is 9 years. So let's calculate the amount that will be available in 2027 with him. So we can calculate it 195,600 times 1 plus 8.7 over 100 to the power 9. That is 41414141 .316. Okay, this is the amount that he will have in 2027. So now if we compare how much more, so the difference will be, we can take the difference of this one, 41,414, 414,414.316 minus 195,600. So that will be the difference, which is 218,814. 814.316. So we can round this to 3 significant, our final answer, as we can round to 3 significant. If I will round to 3 significant, it will be first significant, second and third. So then need to add 1 in this one, and the remaining digits of the whole part will be 0. That's so he will have at the end of 2027 this amount. Next, question number 2. The cumulative frequency diagram shows the information about the time taken T seconds for a group of girls to each solve a math problem. This is the cumulative frequency curve given. Use the cumulative frequency diagram to find an estimate for the median. Now for median, we always know median is half of the cumulative frequency and the total frequency, as the last cumulative frequency is 80. We can see. So for median, it will be 80 divided by 2. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So from 40, I will draw the line. Let's draw the line from 40. That will be this one. Now let's see what is each box horizontally, because scale matters a lot for any graph question. From 0 to 10, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. There are 5 boxes from 0 to 10. So it means each box is equal to 2. So 50, 52, 54. So this is 54. It means the median is 54. 54 seconds is the median. Now, next, interquartile range. We know that interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. But first we need to find Q3 and Q1. To find Q3, what I will do, I know that Q3 is 3/4 of the total of the last cumulative frequency. If I will calculate the 3/4 of 80, it's 60. Now, it means from 60, I have to draw the line and must show the line on your graph. Some students don't show the line on the graph, that may deduct marks. So from 60, draw the line and get down. This one. So let's see what this value is. 60, 62, 64, 66. So this is 66. It means we found our Q3 is 66 minus, now we need Q1. Q1 is quarter of total last cumulative frequency. If I will take the quarter of last cumulative frequency, because last cumulative is always equal to total, so it's 20. Now from 20, I will draw the line. Let's draw a line from 20. Okay, it's 30, 32, 34, 36. So it's 36. So right here 36, not 26 minus 36, that will be 30. Maybe while solving, you may get a range of the values slightly different than this one. I think, yeah, it's all right. It's acceptable range. Then part 3 is the 20th percentile. 20th percentile means, you know, Q1 is always 25th percentile. Q3 is 75% of the total data. 20th percentile means 20% of the total. So if you have to take that one, what it will be, 20% of the total of the last cumulative, which is 20 over 100 times 80. If I will calculate it, 20 divided by 100 times 80 is 16. So from 16, I have to draw the line now. Where is 16? Each one is 1, 1, and so this one is 16. So from 16, I will draw the line. So this one is 32. So 32 seconds is the 20th percentile. I will say 32 seconds. Now part 4 is the number of girls who took more than 66 seconds to solve the problems. We have to see how many girls took more than 66 seconds. Where is 66 seconds? This one. Already the line of 66 is there. So how many? 60 are for 66. I think I'm slightly mistaken. It should go here from here because previously the line was not bit accurate. If from 66 I will come up, so we'll go there. It will touch the line here. This one 61. So from 80 minus 61. Total will be 80 minus 61. The remaining are who took more than 80 minus 61. That is 19. 19. Now next part B. Use the cumulative frequency diagram to complete the frequency table. We have to use it to complete the frequency table. For example, from 0 to 20, the frequency is 6. From 20 to 40, we have to see. From 20 to 40. Okay, this is 20 and this is 40. So what you should do, draw the lines and check. Let's change the color for this one. Okay, this is for 20. Is it not it better if I will zoom it a little bit more? So graph accuracy will be more. So that's from here. If I will, this is for the 20 and this is for the 40. Sorry, line was little. Yeah, this is for the 40. Yes, so let's see what is this value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. And what is this one? 1, 2, 3, and this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many numbers are between them? There are 10 numbers. So it means I can say the frequency is 10. So here I can write 10. But sorry, it will not be 10 because the first one is as it is, and then the remaining we have to, if I will count between them, these are 10. So it means this is going to be, sorry, 16. So frequency will be 16, not 10, because this is for the cumulative frequency. So we are writing for the frequency. So no, between 20 to 10 is, sorry, it will be 10 because this is cumulative frequency. If I'm saying from here it's 6, from 6 till this one, how many numbers will be? We are, so it's 10. In the similar way, from 40 to 60, from 40 to 60, now where is 60? This is the line for 60. So reach here means 50. So 40 is this one. This is for the 40, which we took right now here. This one is, I'm sorry for the previous part, I did a wrong calculation. From 6 till this point. So sorry, this was 21, 22, 23, 24. This was 24. So from 6 till 24, it will be 18, not 10. It's going to be 18 because we have to count the numbers between them. Similarly, for 60, if I will, let's draw a line for 60. It's better. Otherwise, so many lines are there already. You might get confused. This is 60. Yes, 60 will be here. And then from here, I can say it is 50. So from this 24 till 50, how many numbers are total 26. So I would say 26, because if you will count the numbers from here till here will be 26. So this is going to be 26. Similarly from 60 to 80. Okay, from 60 to 80. 60 already we know this is for the 60, and where is the line for the 80? I need to draw the line for 80 and we'll check how many numbers will be between them. This is for the 80. Yes, here, and then from here, if I will, this one. It is 80, 79, 78, 76, 75. So this number is, 1 second, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 76. This is 76. So between 76 till 50, the total numbers are 26. 26. So in this way, we completed this frequency table.